Yeah, hello friends. Today we'll try to see an interesting thing regarding probability. Probability के regarding we'll try to see an interesting thing. Let's see. So we all know how do we find the probability? That is clear to all. Probability कैसे find करते हैं? That we all know. So probability of any event is defined as number of elements in that set divided by the total number of a sample space. Right, so probability of, let's say, event A, any random event A will be defined by n of A over what? N of S, the number of elements in that event A and that divided by total number of elements in sample space. Now हमने ये एग्जाम्पल बचपन में बहुत सुना है, a coin is tossed, right? एक सिक्का उछाला गया. So a coin is tossed. So you know that when a coin is tossed, the sample space we get is either head or tail, right? Now suppose, and also we can see that the probability of head in this case is half and the probability of tail is also half. Now based on this event, suppose you and your friend decide that let's play a game. So here you and your friend. Okay, you said that if head comes, I will win, and if tail comes, your friend will win, right? So you played this game 10 times and yeah, initially the game looks fair, 50-50% chance है दोनों के जीतने के. तो after playing it, you played it for 10 times. After playing for 10 times, you realize that तुम्हारा friend जो है, he is winning more number of times than you, not just by a small margin. Like he won 8 times out of 10 times and you are winning only 2 times. So somehow that question arises in your mind that कि लगता है coin में कुछ तो problem है. The coin looks biased towards tail, and that's why the tail is coming in more number of times, that too like 8 out of 10, and head is only coming 2 out of 10. तो अभी जब आपके माइंड में ये आ गया like the coin looks biased, then obviously the game is not fair now. So the question is कि आप अभी इस गेम को फेयर कैसे बनाओगे? Like how will you make sure that probability of winning either for you or for your friend is same? So in this, by doing this, I see that probability of head for this coin looks like 2 out of 10, okay, and the probability of tail is what? 8 out of 10. Okay, so which this can be written as 1 over 5 and this can be written as 4 over 5, right? This coin is biased, right? It's not like a normal coin where the probability of head and tail is what? Half and half. Now our aim is to make this game fair. तो आप क्या बोलते हो? Rather than tossing it 1 times and noting the result and then deciding who is the winner, you say that कि आप इस coin को 2 बार उछालो and 2 बार में जो result आया उसको note down करो, and then based on that you try to find who is the winner. Now if you toss the coin 2 times, the sample space you will be getting as either it can be head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. तो ये 4 पॉसिबल आउटकम हो सकते हैं, राइट, व्हेन यू टॉस द कॉइन 2 टाइम्स. आप क्या बोलते हो? इफ यू गेट द आउटपुट सेम, अगर आपको हेड हेड आता है या टेल टेल आता है दोनों टाइम, नोबडी विंस. अगर हेड हेड आया या तो टेल टेल आया, कोई नहीं जीतेगा. बट इफ हेड एंड टेल कम्स, यू विन, and if tail and head comes, your friend win. Now ऐसा करने से क्या होगा? Will this make game fair? Now to make game fair, मुझे क्या करना है? What do I have to prove? That probability of this event will be same as probability of this event. So let's see, दोनों का probability same है या नहीं. So probability of head and tail will be like probability of head into probability of tail. Why so? Because the events are independent. पहली बार में क्या आया उसका कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं है दूसरी बार में क्या आएगा. So probability of head in this case we have as 1 by 5 and probability of tail is what? 4 by 5. So that gives me 4 over 25 probability of getting head and tail. Now let's look at what is the probability of tail and then head, which will be same as probability of tail into probability of head, right? Probability of tail क्या है? 4 over 5. Probability of head is what? 1 over 5. You multiply, you get 4 over 25. Now you see that probability of head tail is 4 by 25 and even for probability for tail and head is also 4 by 25. इससे क्या प्रूव होता है कि लाइक हेड टेल एंड टेल हेड आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी सेम है. तो इससे क्या हो जाता है? गेम बिकम्स फेयर नाउ. Now even if the coin was biased towards tail, if you toss it 2 times and then based on the result what you are getting after tossing it 2 times, if you decide the winner, now the game looks very much fair. Okay, I hope आपको ये समझा होगा. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment box. Otherwise we all are good. Thank you.